Fourth chapter, Animal Kingdom, 11th standard, CBSE, NCERT, NEET, ABRBATS, Orthopoda. Ortho people, remember, for orthopoda. They tend to get fractured easily because the seniors, ortho people, they tend to fall and fracture their bones, is it not? So they have jointed legs. Remember, orthopoda organism having jointed legs. Their endoskeleton is not strong, so they have exoskeleton because they tend to get fracture, right? So they have exoskeleton, they have jointed legs. Since ortho patients cannot move, but these orthopods can move. Remember, this is not I'm not saying that orthopods are not able to move. I am telling the clues for you. Ortho patients are not able to move. They sense through antenna. They got antenna and they got compound eyes. So orthopods have jointed legs, they have exoskeleton, they have antennas, they have compound eyes. These patients are open-hearted. Remember, elderly ortho patients are elders and they are open-hearted. So they have open cardiovascular system. Remember, they can't move, I told you, so they have to urinate with the help of a catheter. So they have Malpighian tubules for excretion. Remember, Malpighian tubules, open-hearted, open cardiovascular system these orthopedic patients have, remember. Okay, now coming to the examples of orthopods are Apis, that is called a honeybee, Bombyx, that is called silkworm, Laccifer, that is a lac insect, mosquitoes, gregarious pest, that is called Locusta or locust, Limulus is otherwise called king crab. How to remember these names? Most of the Greek and Latin. Here I am using my technique ABRB mnemonics to remember the orthopoda examples. Come on, cheer up. So, I told you these names for the orthopoda example, right? So, you can remember it as orthopedic patients. Ortho patients are lying down. You are going to treat them and you are going to praise them. That is all is the examples for orthopoda. You are going to treat them, you are going to praise them. The seniors, okay. So, they are lying down because they are lying down in the bed for a long time. They get constipation, yeah. So what you have to do? You have to give fiber. You have to give more fiber to their diet. So that is nothing but fiber is nothing but Laccifer. Laccifer is an example of orthopoda. That is, my clue is you are treating the ortho patients and also you are praising them. So Laccifer is a fiber that you are giving for constipation and also you are giving honey. Honeybee, you are giving honey to them. So, honeybee you include. So, these elderly patients these elderly orthopedic patients are lucky. So, locust, you remember lucky? So, locust. And they live a king life, king crab. They live a king life, king crab. So, in a joint family means gregarious. An English word for gregarious is joint, okay. So, gregarious, that is nothing but a joint family. So, gregarious pest is an example here. And they live a king size, king life without any mosquito problem. Include mosquito also here. Without any mosquito bite. I again repeat, ortho patients have constipation. So you have to give fiber. That is nothing but Laccifer. And you have to give honey to them. That's honeybee. And they live a lucky life. That is locust. They live in a joint family. That is gregarious pest. And they live a king life. That is nothing but king crab. And without mosquito problem. Mosquitoes. ABRB system works.